Hi, good evening or good afternoon to you or good morning. Yeah, I'm working on this Toyota pickup with a 22R engine, carbureted engine. It was hesitating, like it's like missing. And you know what I found out? It's just this hose right here in the bottom, right here. See that hose right there that goes to the air cleaner? It was unplugged, and that's all it was right there. See the hose right there? See that one there, right there? There's two small hoses on the bottom of the air cleaner, and then there's a bigger one right here. Make sure that's connected, and that's connected to the carburetor right there, um, on the side of the carburetor. It's kind of dark right now, but this one, just make sure that one. All right, there's three hoses, one two small ones and another bigger one. All right, and make sure that's connected, and all my idle problems has been solved. And it just happened. I just wonder why. So I just opened up the took out the air cleaner, and that's at first I didn't see that one because it was underneath. It's right here. All right, right there, underneath, right there. All right. And since I'm opened up, I sprayed it with a carburetor cleaner and oiled all the side parts right there. All right. All right. Thank you very much. You have a good night and happy Thanksgiving. And this is a nice engine. I did a head gasket on this one right here. All right. Then I installed an additional auxiliary fan. All right. And everything is okay. All right. I'll make another video on how to change the head gasket on this one. Took me like 3 hours all together replacing the head gasket. All right. Thank you. Good night.